Hey guys, this is my client Cynthia, and we did not speak the same language, but we did agree upon one thing, that her hair was messed up. So she wanted her hair all evened out. She was using box color. So see how I tackle this color correction right now. Hey guys, welcome to Hair Toots, raw, real, and diverse hair education. I help hairstylists become better hairstylists. Okay, so I have my old assistant Jessica helping me with this application. So as you can see, as I'm going through the hair, there's all kinds of banding going on here. So there was definitely some shift of different colors going on with her color. Like maybe she used different brands, or maybe her application wasn't like spot on. This is what happens when you apply your own color and then you keep pulling it through and different porosities start happening. So what we really need to do is we just need to start working this lightener through and see where we get with this. So I am using saturation as my friend. So we are using Aligo Pro, and we are using a combination of Cool Tone and the Extra Blonde with 20 volume and Olaplex, of course. So here's in real time, and then I am speeding it up. So we are going kind of rather slow, guys. So we want to be super precise. Now we are not applying it to the roots because that is going to lift super quick. Now I am leaving it open and not incubating it as much. Like I'm placing like foils here and there just for like organization, but we are taking very small saturated sections. I am applying it 1/4 of an inch away from the scalp because the heat will process the scalp a lot faster. Thanks, Jessica, for just throwing that on me there. And so the heat will process that a lot faster. So we want to keep that as far away. So here you can see those different tones going on. So I really just want to apply it fully saturated there, fully saturated there. As you can see, I work it back and forth and up and down. And then in between that area, I'm still going to apply it, but I'm not going to apply it as heavily. And you can see it here as well. Like, I don't know what was going on. I know she was kind of tackling her own hair. And like I said, there was a bit of a language barrier. So some of those spots I did leave out. I think she did have somebody try and tackle her hair before. And and then like maybe she went back to coloring it. I don't know. There wasn't a lot of explanation going on. I just know that they wanted me to fix it. And so I fixed it. And that's that with that. So just going ahead and applying this lightener. Now we just mix as we go. So now that she's lifted to this specific color, like a level 8, I am going to hit her with the root. Now, her natural level hair color is very dark. I don't think that having this ultra light blonde is going to look super appealing on her skin tone. So therefore, I am not striving for a level 10 blonde, okay? So on 6/11, Miss H, we'll call her, gave me a new client request form in my email. And so I said, oh, I love your inspo pics. So why don't you come on in? My consults are $20. You can Venmo, Zelle me, PayPal, whatever. And she can book the appointment. Well, she never sent me the $20, by the way. So then she still came in for her consult. And I said, you need to sign my deposit guarantee form if you would like to book an appointment for me. She booked services that were $250. She wound up canceling the appointment for July 27th. And then all of a sudden I get a message in my email that I'm getting a dispute for $125. I'm like, what the heck? Who's this from? Oh, it's from that girl that canceled her appointment that signed my guarantee deposit form that said it's non-transferable and non-refundable, initialed it and signed it and dated it. So I submitted it at the credit card company, and guess what they said? They said, you get your money back, girl. If you want a copy, click the link in the bio and I'll give it to you. So I really wanted to get her to like a level 8 blonde because I think that would be like a nice tone. And plus she had all those spots in between her hair. So I feel as if I did. Now I'm going in with Megix, and I did not get a lot of video of this, friends. But basically I'm doing a color melt. I'm applying like a level 7 to her root area. And as you can see, even with the natural color, it still lifted more at her root than it did on her ends because we had that pigment blocking it from lifting high enough. So once you have pigment on the hair, unnatural pigment versus natural pigment, you are going to get like less of a lift. than you are if it's natural pigmented hair. Natural pigmented hair lifts so much easier. So we were going in with a level 7 at the root. And so we just went with a natural tone there at the root. And then just applying that with a 6 volume and just keeping that with an acidic gloss. We morphed the Magix 10 into an acidic gloss, going out into a level 8 on the ends, wanting to control a lot of that warm. So we went with an 8.12 on her ends. So here was the before, guys, more bands than a Lollapalooza concert. And here's the after. Guys, I think that this is a phenomenal outcome on Cynthia's hair. It looks absolutely amazing. A beautiful little shadow root. Came out absolutely gorgeous. Guys, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You can follow me on all the socials, Instagram, TikTok, here. You know, guys, thank you so much. Love you guys. Don't forget, if you like and enjoyed this, don't forget to watch this video right here, guys. And don't forget to hit the ding dong. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.